Hi Discovery Center friends, I'm Miss Kristy and I thought I would come to you with another fun idea, things you can do with things you might already have around the house. You'll need some balloons, a pool noodle for every friend that wants to play, and 2 laundry baskets. It doesn't matter what size they are. I used 1 big one and 1 small one. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your pool noodle and you are gonna try your best. Are you ready? To get all the balloons into the laundry basket. And it's harder than it looks sometimes. And if you're playing with somebody else, you can have one of you be for each goal, or you can just see who has the most balloons by the end of the game. Have a good day, Discovery Center friends.